Hi, Connie. Thanks for having me today. I'm the Senior Manager of Technical Education at Puppet. My team is part of the larger knowledge management organization here at Puppet, and we create compelling education and enablement content that helps Puppet customers, partners, and employees get the most out of Puppet products. We're super excited about the Puppet Practice Labs. The Puppet Practice Labs are brand new. It's a series of hands-on, self-paced, always accessible browser-based tutorials, and they're totally free. So learners can start learning how to use our products as quickly and as easily as possible. We've designed them to help people automate more of their infrastructure and learn how to scale with confidence, enable them to reduce toil and empower their workforce to innovate. We have currently 4 practice labs available now on our site. You can learn how to use Bolt Basics on Linux, build a Bolt inventory file on Linux, install and explore the Puppet agent, and run Puppet manually after defining a desired state. So those are the first 4 that we've launched with. We're excited to launch more and eventually add more tracks that are different levels of complexity. Most of the tracks we have now are for beginners, but we plan to add topics that are more advanced as we continue to grow the library. But we're really excited because it's such a great learning opportunity. It makes learning our products incredibly easy. And we've gotten some fantastic early responses from internally and from our customers about how exciting it is and how easy it is to get started using our products and learning our products using this new course format. Really excited about it. Great feedback so far. Looking forward to making many more of them. So our team's mission in the knowledge management organization, we call it KMO for short, is to create Puppet champions. And Puppet champions are people who feel confident about their ability to use and scale Puppet. And the best way to create Puppet champions is to, make learning with Puppet easy. And, that's really why we launched the Puppet Practice Labs, because it makes it so easy for our customers to get hands-on training, no matter where they are or what type of system they're using, at any time, at no cost. I mean, these are completely free. So our customers can get access to, Puppet Enterprise without having to download it, without having to pay anything, and within minutes start learning how to use our flagship product. The goal really has been to remove as many barriers as possible to learning so that we can help people quickly learn how to get the most from our products. Puppet makes automation software because we believe that people have better things to do. As a company, we're driven to empower fearless and open innovation. We want people to feel confident about their abilities to automate so that they can spend less time doing the work that they don't want to do and more time doing the innovative work that will move the company forward. And in order to do this, we're continually investing in making education and learning more accessible to both our open source and our commercial users. In addition to the Puppet Practice Labs, about a year ago, we launched Puppet Compass, which is where you'll find the practice labs on our site. If you go to learn.puppet.com, you'll be taken to Puppet Compass, and it's essentially our gateway to all of our educational materials. And we created that as a kind of central repository to help our customers find all the resources they need to be able to get up to speed in all of our products as quickly as possible. The goal is make learning easier, really get hands-on with our products faster so that you can automate more and then do more exciting work. That's essentially the goal. Well, when we were looking at Instruqt, we had some requirements. Well, first and foremost, as a customer-centric organization, we needed something that could provide the best possible user experience for our customers. We found that with Instruqt, like I keep saying, it just makes it super easy for our customers to access hands-on, browser-based, step-by-step tutorials, literally a minute. It's extremely user-friendly, and that's really one of the biggest selling points. If you log into a Puppet practice lab, you click, you start your track, and it spins up an environment which is preloaded with all of the tools and instruction you need to run the tutorial. You don't have to download anything, which previously you might have had to do to really get hands-on with Puppet, which means you don't need to meet like system requirements to run the tutorials. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to show up on time. You can use them anytime, anywhere, in minutes for free. So the user experience is really fantastic. That was very important to us when we were looking for a partner to work with to create the labs. The tool is extremely easy to use to create content. The environment for creating the content is really accessible by pretty much anyone on our team. And that is really key because we have a pretty small team and a lot of demands on making content. And so, we wanted a tool that was easy to use for pretty much anyone in the group, and Instruqt met that need, as well as providing extremely good customer service. So, when we were learning how to use the tool and anytime we came up with a problem, the customer service was fantastic, really quick to help us overcome any obstacles or roadblocks that we had in developing the content, very quick to answer any questions we had about using the platform. And also, we have a lot of ideas about things we want. And they're the Instruqt team has been really open to our feature requests. They don't always give us everything we want, but they're willing to listen. And so that's been really great. So we've just it's been a very positive working relationship. So everybody wins. The customer wins with a really easy to use, hands-on learning environment. And for us, it's been just a really easy experience for creating the content and getting the help we need to launch this new learning format to our customers. First off, keep it short. We realize that people have real limited time. So you're trying to learn quickly. You don't have a lot of time to spend often to squeeze in learning, even though it's so important to everyone to continue to advance their skills. Keep your classes short. We try to keep the practice labs to around a half an hour. We focus on making content that's outcome driven. We want you to be able to take a class during lunch, learn something you can use immediately on the job. It provides some of the quick wins help build confidence. So, make you want to learn more, essentially. So short bits of content, outcome driven, and also listen to your customers. We've added a feedback survey at the end of each track, and we really asked that anyone who takes a practice lab tell us what they like about the lab. Was it too easy? Was it too hard? Did it meet your needs? And also, what else would you like to see? So we're constantly asking on our team, how do you learn Puppet? And what do you want to learn? What do you need to learn? And we're looking at, where our customers are struggling and what they need to learn. And we're constantly trying to use that customer feedback to create educational materials that are practical and useful and will help them build the confidence they need to be Puppet champions in their organization, enabling them to automate more and scale faster.